Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy bag for September. Interesting little bag this month. So let's take a look at what's inside. Who's going to stop me? It's a little card. And the first product I have is bronzer. I actually don't use bronzer. I've mentioned that before. So I'll probably pass that along to a friend. Also have a weightless smoothing cream. That I probably definitely can use. I have naturally wavy, almost curly hair, so it does get frizzy. So I'm assuming maybe that's what that's for. Luna by Luna. Let's see what this is. Translucent powder, it says. If I can get it open. And please excuse my madness that is my nails. I have nail polish on, Color Street, and Jamberry because I was doing an experiment, so they look a little crazy at this moment. But there's my translucent powder. And I'm going to start selling Color Street, I think, because I use nail polish so much, which are these right here. So if you guys are interested, I'll put a link below. They haven't been out that long, and I just recently discovered them, and they're so much easier than Jamberry and nail polish. So this is Bobbi Brown Black. So this, oh, it is mascara. Well, that's weird. I thought Bobbi Brown is a real ritzy brand. I think my mom was talking about them lately. Maybe not. But that's an interesting mascara container. It's really thick. The wand looks like it's all lumped at the bottom. But I'll definitely give it a try. And one more thing inside my bag, I have Brazilian Bod Buff. It's this yellowish orange color. And it says you use it as a body scrub, basically. Use it on wet skin or apply as a body mask on dry skin. Wait 10 minutes and then you rinse it off. That's pretty cool. So that is what I got in my Ipsy bag. I already posted my Birchbox, so I'll leave that below, or you can check out my channel if you want to see what I got in that. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!